For any triangle ABC, show that 2 times ABC times cosine of A over 2 times cosine of B over 2 and cosine of C over 2 equals 2 as delta. Okay, let us begin. But before beginning, what we'll do, let's try to understand few of the terms that are being used here. Suppose we have a triangle with vertices A, B and C. The sides opposite to angle A, angle B and angle C are going to be represented by the letters A, B and C in lowercase respectively. If we take the sum of the sides, that's A plus B plus C, that's going to give us the perimeter of the triangle ABC. And then dividing this perimeter with 2, or taking half of the perimeter, gives us the semi-perimeter, which is denoted by the letter S in lowercase. That means 2S is going to be equals to A plus B plus C. Fine. And then the area of the triangle can be also obtained. There we have a standard formula for that. It's referred to as the Heron's formula. The area of the triangle is given by, take the square root. Underneath the square root, we take the product of the semi-perimeter S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. And also, the expression on the left hand side involves the half angle formula. We have cosine of A over 2, cosine of B over 2 and cosine of C over 2. There's a standard formula for this, given by cosine of B over 2 equals to the square root of S multiplied to S minus A divided by BC. Similarly, we have for cosine of B over 2 and cosine of C over 2. So let's use all of these ideas and we'll start our proof from the left hand side. So on the left hand side, we have 2 times A times B times C. We have cosine of A over 2. So let's use this. So we are going to get the square root of S multiplied to S minus A divided by BC. This gets multiplied to cosine of B over 2, which is S times S minus B whole divided by AC, multiplied to the square root of cosine of C over 2. So that's S multiplied to S minus C divided by AB. This is going to be equals to 2 times ABC. Now let's simplify them. So we have the square root of S cubed multiplied to S minus A times S minus B times S minus C divided by, in the denominator, we're going to have A squared, B squared, C squared. Now we can pull out the perfect square from inside the square root. So that means from S cube we can pull out S squared. So that leaves us with only S whole divided by, so square root of A squared, B squared, C squared, that will be ABC. This gets multiplied to the square root of S times S minus A, S minus B times S minus C. So here we can factor out ABC from the numerator and the denominator, and then we have 2 times S. This entire expression can be replaced with delta, which is going to be the area of the triangle ABC, and this is going to give us the right hand side. Hence proved.